Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Honda Odyssey, 2005 to 2010? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your minivan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2005 to 2006 Honda Odyssey controls and protects interior electrical systems such as power windows, audio, and climate control. It ensures steady power flow and reliable operation of cabin features. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2007 to 2010 Honda Odyssey manages and safeguards interior electrical systems such as power windows, infotainment, and climate control. It ensures consistent power delivery and dependable operation of cabin electronics. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2005 to 2006 Honda Odyssey protects key engine and electrical systems, including ignition, lighting, and cooling components. It ensures stable power distribution and reliable vehicle performance. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2007 to 2010 Honda Odyssey protects key engine and electrical systems, including ignition, lighting, and cooling components. It ensures stable power distribution and reliable vehicle performance. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.